What comes to mind when you think about wellness? Is it a relaxing luxury for people with a lot of time and money on their hands? Or is it a necessary way of being if we want to live our lives with a sense of quality and happiness well into our old age? My name is Amalia Valle. I'm a certified health coach and a 500-hour certified yoga instructor. I'm also a mom, an actor, and a part-time flight attendant. I know all about being busy, so I designed Busy and Healthy exactly for busy people like you to help you fit in healthy eating, fitness, and stress management into your lives in a way that is fun and easy. How did I get into wellness? Well, back in 2016, I was diagnosed with an autoimmune condition called Hashimoto's. And contrary to what you might think, I was actually really relieved and grateful to receive this diagnosis because I had been feeling terrible for such a long time. So when I received this diagnosis, it was welcome. I finally understood what was wrong with me. So then the next step was completely redesigning my lifestyle. And so I had to learn how to eat healthy, how to eat gluten-free, how to drastically reduce sugar, how to incorporate regular exercise into my life, how to manage my stress so that that didn't affect my health as well. And for someone who had really never paid much attention to my health, that was a tall order. And I don't know about you, but the idea of cutting out all my favorite foods did not sound like much fun. So I had to learn a way to make it fun so that I wouldn't feel deprived, so that this could be something sustainable, so that this could still be a truly enjoyable way of living that wouldn't make me feel awful. It took several years to learn how to really put it all together and to make this healthy lifestyle not just a fad, but a new way of living. I'm always learning, I'm always researching, I'm always trying to find new ways to keep feeling my best. You can consider me a wellness life coach because that's what I really strive to be. I strive to help others meet their health goals in a way that is truly sustainable and enjoyable. On the Busy and Healthy channel, you can look forward to videos all about healthy eating in a fun way, like hello, gluten-free pizza, and stress management, fitness inspiration, and I'm not talking about hours in the gym either. And there might even be a few travel tips from a flight attendant along the way. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss a thing. And I'll see you in the next video.